Alright. It's like 7 a.m. Saturday morning. My cousin just got this new girlfriend a couple weeks ago. They went out to the movies last night. I'm sure they stayed up a little late. Playing with each other's parts, don't you know? And they're probably sleeping. I'm about to pull up to his house right now. I'm on my way to work. That's the only reason I'm awake. Let's see here. Oh yeah, her car's here. Yo, my bright lights are on. I'm not even sneaking. There goes her car. Alright, I'm firmly planted right in front of his house. And wait a minute. What's this button do? Rise and shine, motherfuckers! I know. That's dope.